All right, I'm back. The internet don't want me to be great today, but we will not let it defeat us. Trying to stop my bag this morning. Okay. It's 9:35. I was watching the market on my phone. I was like, I'm not about to miss an entry. And I did enter US 30 buy at 32341. But I am going to go ahead and pull US 30 up and mark my chart. And let's see if we can get a better entry or if that entry was good. All right. Chart open back up on that gold trade. Let's see. I had cleared my US 30 before it froze, but let's see if it did. If it cleared for real. All right, it did. Let me go back down to this one real quick. I think I had a fib drawn on the daily. I did. Price broke out of this channel. Let's come down to the 4 hour. Let's see. It's moving on up nicely. All right. So I'm gonna go back to my blank chart and we're gonna do this top down analysis real quick on US 30 and see what kind of entry we can get. All right, I'm gonna mark this high of January 2022. Change my lines to black. I am going to mark this low of January 21. This is going to be my monthly range. Let's go down to the weekly. I was trying to see if I wanted to mark a trend line there, but I'm going to do one on the lower time frame. Where are we going? Monthly, weekly. All right, so we're here from January 2022 now to May 22. Let me see if we got a zone right here. Yes, we do. We got two touches. This is a low of February 21 to our most recent low. This was May 9th. Don't want to mark this for a weekly range. Let's go. I am going to mark this trend line. Got 2 points, 2 touches. Let's go down to the daily. Let's see. I'm going to put a zone right here. It's our most recent pullback, and as you can see, we have several touches in this area. Going to mark this trend line. Got a daily trend line right here. We got touch, drop, touch, drop, touch, drop. It looks like it's in a channel. Yep. That it just broke out of. Let's see, do we have another zone here? Yes. mark this zone right here. We got 1, 2, 3 touches. Let's go down really more if I bring it over further, but it is relevant. Last touch was May the 4th. All right, let's go down to the 4 hour. Price broke out. On the 4 hour, we didn't get a clean retest yet, but price is coming up to 32715. It looked like we got a break right here, a retest. Price dropped down to this trend line, bought back up and continued its sell. Came back down to this trend line right here, reversed, and this is where we currently are. I'll mark this channel right here. This is current prices. This is where current price is. Gonna box it in. Let me see. I'm not gonna put that trend line there. I do see a zone right here. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches. Most recent right here. It probably looks cleaner on the 1 hour. I'm gonna mark it. Let's go down to 1 hour and see. So yeah, my computer decided it wanted to die or freeze. I was watching this. I got in this trade yesterday and caught 30 points. My initial analysis, hold on, I can bring up my chart gallery. Yeah, it's coming to touch that, my TP2. When the chart froze, I was watching it on my phone, and I got in at 32341. Unfortunately, I couldn't call it because the internet decided to be mean to me this morning. We're gonna see if we can get a second entry somewhere. Yeah, because this isn't even a 1-to-1. But I definitely know price is coming up here. It's filling in all of this price drop right over here. But it's once we get here, are we going to turn around? So I am going to set my TP at 32696 because I don't want to get caught up in a price reversal. And I am going to double check my numbers for that because, as we know, numbers on your broker might not be the same as the numbers on TradingView. All right, let's go a little lower. I'm going to mark this channel right here. I don't really like how that looks. I'm not going to mark that. We got 2 touches here, and price traded through this right here this morning. Let's go down to the 30-minute. Let's see what it looks like. I'm debating because this is really, it's a channel, but I don't like how it looks when I mark it. All right. Unfortunately, I could not call this scout for y'all this morning. We have about 15 more minutes where this hourly candle closes. We got this daily zone at 32720. I believe ultimately that is where price is going. Yeah, so this is my US 30 scalp for today. Sorry I couldn't mark this up on live, but y'all could have caught that. Let's go back to gold and see what gold is doing. Gold is playing around. It's gonna consolidate. We didn't already caught this move for the day, so let's see what the dollar is doing. So I already caught 50 pips on gold today during London session. Well, the dollar is moving back down. Yay. I'm excited because we have this fib. The dollar is nicely on this fib on the daily. Let me zoom back out. Our low right here is our point A. This high was point B. And now price is currently consolidating in between the 382 and the 50 on the fib. So I'm just waiting for a double bottom somewhere for the dollar to continue its buy so that I can buy USD CAD, USD CHF, sell GU, AU, EU, NU. That's what I'm waiting on, but I'm not messing with it for the rest of the week. It looks like it's definitely going to consolidate. So I'm just watching and waiting for the dollar to finish its complete its fib move on the daily. Caught 50 pips on gold during London session. Let's see what EJ is doing. So EJ is currently on a daily fib as well. In a downtrend, this was point A, this was point B, point C. It played around at the 618 for 3 days and then dropped. TP1 would have been the 0. TP2 is 27. It hit TP2 and now looks like it's in consolidation. We have this wedge right here. I'm waiting for price to break out on either side and retest. And we're gonna hold for a long or a short, whatever price gives us. But EJ and GJ, I don't touch until I get confirmation on the higher time frames, just because those pips give you so much money. GBP was also on a fib move. I got stopped out, so I decided to leave GBP alone until I get clear direction. Take that off the watch list. Where did EJ? Where's EJ? Not touching any of the USD pairs until I get more direction from the dollar. We got all the moves that we're gonna get already this week on these USD pairs. Here's GJ. It's got the same thing for GJ on our daily fib. We got point A, point B, point C. It came up to the 382. So since it didn't pull all the way back to the 618 or 50, I was only expecting TP2 to get hit, not TP3. GJ is currently in a wedge pattern on the daily, waiting for a breakout. So we probably won't get these moves until next week, but price has been consolidating on GJ for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days. So we're just patiently waiting for a breakout, break and retest, and for direction on GJ and EJ. Waiting for the dollar to finish up its fib move on the daily as well. This nice pullback right here. And just waiting for US 30 to hit RTP. US 30 also is at a daily fib move. So what we got going on US 30? US 30 completed its move. Let's see. So it was in a sell channel. Our point A was here. Our point B is here. Point C is here. It came to the 50, consolidated this 50% for 2 days, dropped to TP1, TP2, and gave us TP3. It stayed inside this downtrend channel. When price normally gets to the 618, it reverses. US 30 reversed perfectly. I'm expecting it to come up to this daily zone and drop back down and either retest this channel and give us some type of double bottom on the daily, and then I'll be able to put the fib on it so we can go long. But right now I'm not expecting US 30 to go higher than 32722. So I set my TP because I just scalp US 30. Unfortunately, I normally mark this up live before the market opens, but my computer decided to freeze on me, so I wasn't able to mark this up for y'all. But I'm expecting my TP to hit at what we got? 32706 for 35 points. I am currently up 16 points. My entry was 32341. Now price broke this zone. It didn't give us a retest. So we might get this retest before going higher. It didn't retest right here either, which this line is that parallel channel, that channel from the daily. So it could drop all the way back down to here to retest. It didn't retest this zone either. But as far as New York session, I only today am trading US 30. I got up this morning, caught 50 pips on gold during London. That move is over with. What's it doing? Let's see. Look at that candle. Oh, we did have news at 8:30. But this is a 9 o'clock candle. 77 pips. What's it doing? Because it already retested this trend line. That's how I got in and caught this. Gold is finicky to me. So I absolutely don't play around with gold all day. At all. Let's see, is US 30 moving up? My TP is gonna get hit. Price is just staggering. I could even bring this to this low. All right, so that is all I have for today. Unfortunately, we did get disconnected. So sorry you guys missed this trade. I'll be back tomorrow morning. Tomorrow is Friday, so not sure exactly what we're going to catch, but there's normally a move during London session on Friday, so we'll see what we can catch. I'll be back tomorrow morning at 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for London session and 9 a.m. I'm sorry, I might not be back tomorrow, 9 a.m. for New York. I'll let you guys know on Instagram if I'm getting on for New York session. Follow me at Sierra, SIERRA underscore trades, TRADES underscore on Instagram and TikTok to stay up to date with my trades and to know when my live sessions are happening. Happy trading!